Welcome to a water meditation. Our body as ocean, our breath as the wave. Hello, I am your breath. Thank you for dedicating this time to us and sinking into this water meditation. As you get situated, preferably lying on your back, start to orient and let the outside world dissolve, bringing focus to our breath. We can utilize the earth and water as muse both literally and metaphorically today to restructure and invigorate our body. We are made up of over 70% water. Amazing water, 2 parts hydrogen and 1 oxygen, yet so much more. The fluid that sustains us like the earth sustains us. Like her, we can detoxify, filter, clear, and heal ourselves. We evolved from water. We were born from water, and we are made of water. Our lungs that breathe us in the air, and they themselves are made of 80% water. Envision how we, your breath, enter and exit your body, inhaling and exhaling like waves in the sea. Survey your body from above in your mind's eye, from the perspective of the clouds. See the surface of your body like the skin of the earth. Notice if you are moving, contracted, agitated, or perhaps cutting off circulation to certain areas. Always feel free to move and adjust. And with places that are stuck, breathe deeply into these parts as the ocean currents stir all stagnant waters. Fill the forgotten spaces with oxygen and watch the landscape of your body in your mind move with more fluidity, increasing ease, and as one flowing organism. Slowly, as you become more in sync, bring your attention and vantage point towards the surface of your body, the surface of the ocean. Pay attention to the rise and fall of the water that you are. Follow me as I fill you with oxygen and as I empty from you. Notice the sunlight glistening off you and through you and all around. Like the earth, we can detoxify, filter, clear, and heal our waters. We will fill with wondrous life and expel all toxins and energy that are not natural. We will dissolve tension and anxiety. We will bring vitality and movement with our breath, our circulation, our lymph, just as she does with her current, her tides and waves. As you visualize the ocean and an expansive beach, sink into your being. Move your attention closer and closer to the surface of the water, and then finally into the water. Now you're submerged. The sounds become muted. Everything glistens. You are now surrounded by your breath. You are in the wave. You are the wave. You are the ocean. Sink deeper and deeper till you come to rest laying on the ocean floor. The ocean floor is your spine, and you're looking up towards your chest like it is the surface of the ocean. Watch the big, beautiful waves slowly, thunderously roll towards the shore, towards your forehead. Your skin is transparent, like the clear, salt waters of Earth's oceans. The sun's rays and the moon's rays are glimmering and refracting through the surge, glistening all around and in you. There is no cell that isn't illuminated. Everywhere there is light, everywhere there is hydration. Everything is moving together. Here you feel so secure, floating safe and serene. As you breathe in and out, you ebb and flow. As you inhale, your breath moves from your toes towards your head. Fill your physical being with oxygen and light. As you exhale, let it all fall away, washing, clearing, and dissolving. Breathe deeply. Let it swell and then fade. Watch the big, gorgeous waves slowly and steadily and unstoppably roll towards the shore, towards your head. Fill your body with rolling thunder. Each wave is made of energy, and then exhale it all the way. Expand and fill, expel and empty. As you breathe and oscillate, you may feel lighter, floating, dizzy and tingly. You are reorganizing, returning your body to the proper pH and oxygenating all your cells like the ocean in her natural, thriving, healthy state. Pay attention to this flow of inhale and exhale as we envision and consider all the synchronicities and similarities of our natural state of being and the Earth's. As you breathe in, feel your belly, and then your chest, and then your head. And as you empty, reverse the wave. Empty your mind and your chest and your belly as the water flows out your toes. You are the water. You are dynamic with inlets and outlets, pulsing, moving, alive. With us, your breath, we will invigorate and move oxygen and flow to every cell, every crevice, as we stir and fill the stagnation with joy. As you breathe, see the cycles of our body like the tides of the ocean, creating life and forever changing. And our emotions change up and down, not good or bad, like her seas, sometimes calm and others stormy. And our moods are always oscillating as we seek to balance them like the waves, coming and going, and always eternal. Breathe in and release. Your body is the wave. All life evolved from the ocean. This warm sea where all the ingredients could meld and alchemize into organisms, our earthly womb, our planet's molten center, her magnetism, the air and ocean currents stir all these universal components, just like our body distributes ours. You grew and thrived in your mother, your personal ocean of amniotic fluid. As we breathe, we can journey through our sea and again restore balance, health, and nutrition. Inhale this nourishment and exhale what no longer serves you. We are the prodigy of our Mother Earth and mirror of her genius. As the earth pumps nutrients and vitality within her waters, the rain and rivers and currents circulate through the oceans of air, over land, deep in the aquifers, and throughout the seas. We are the embodiment of our Mother. As our veins deliver nutrients, oxygen, chemicals, and well-being through our bodies, and our lymph carries away what we cannot use. The earth nourishes and cleans herself, and our physical body naturally nourishes and cleans us. As we move like her in waves of breath, the earth is covered in nearly 75% water, and our bodies are made up of 75% water. Our blood, sweat, tears, sacred juices, and amniotic fluids create a universe. We are the epic gods and goddesses of this universe within. We direct trillions of cells, our virome and biome, with our thoughts, our automatic systems, and us, our breath. Remember, you are the same energy and composition as the stars, as the sacred waters. You are the wave. You have the same powers of Earth's oceans. Water is universal. It is crystalline, and we are restructuring and returning it to crystal clear health as we move with the breath. Feel yourself in the cosmic womb, the Earth's ocean. You are not out there. You are in here. You are safe and cushioned and provided for. In this womb, you are surrounded by the perfect hormones, temperatures, antibodies, and bathed in the chemicals of healing and love. Inhale deeply as you look to the surface of your body, the surface of the ocean, with the light filtering through to your spirit and your spirit shining back. Revel in the magnificence as your chest rolls and movements like the waves. Let it flow. Let it go. You are invigorated. You are clean, restored, and restructured. You are connected by breath to every cell in your body, and in the likeness of the waves and composition of your body to the ocean, and in the ocean to the earth itself. You are connected in flow and unstoppable power as an individual made up of trillions of cells and organisms, moving as one wave among trillions of waves in an ocean, on a planet of infinite wonder, in a sea of stars that are infinite, never ending. Fill and release, give and receive. Return to your natural splendor. As As you continue with purposeful breath, begin to bring awareness into your spine, your fingers, and your feet. Orient yourself and linger in gratitude for the time you gave to this healing. Remain as long as you like, remembering to move as instructed. And as you pass through this day in time-space, remember, you are energy, you are breath, and you are the wave.